In recent years, the battlefield has shifted toward compact, intelligent, and highly mobile strike systems, and the Switchblade 300 stands out as one of the most effective examples. Developed by AeroVironment for the U.S. military, this loitering munition combines portability, precision, and real-time control, making it a game-changer for modern infantry operations. Ultra-light and soldier-friendly. Weighing just around 2.5 kilograms, the Switchblade 300 can be carried in a small backpack and launched from a lightweight tube. This gives soldiers the ability to deploy a guided munition within seconds, even in rugged or remote terrain. Precision strike capability. Once in the air, the Switchblade 300 can loiter for up to 15 minutes, scanning the battlefield through its onboard cameras. Operators can manually identify threats and lock onto targets with high accuracy. Its precision fragmentation warhead is designed for neutralizing enemy personnel, small vehicles, and high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. Real-time intelligence. The drone provides continuous video and GPS coordinates back to the operator. This live intelligence allows troops to adjust mission plans instantly and strike only when necessary, improving both safety and effectiveness. Speed and lethality. Capable of speeds up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, during terminal attack, the Switchblade 300 strikes fast and accurately, limiting the enemy's reaction time. The munition detonates on impact, delivering powerful, focused damage. Modern battlefield advantages. Low-cost precision strike compared to larger missiles. Reduced risk to soldiers due to remote operation. Low acoustic and visual signature, making it hard to detect. Ability to abort mission mid-flight, a unique safety advantage.